In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Make.com. To get started, open your browser and go to your Make.com account. Log in if you're not already logged in, and you should land on your Make.com dashboard. This is your main control center where all of your automations or scenarios live. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the option labeled Scenarios. Go ahead and click on that. The Scenarios page is where you can see everything you've already built, and it's also where you'll create new automations. Now, at the top right or near the main area of the page, you'll see a button that says Create Scenario. Click on Create Scenario. This opens a new blank canvas where you can start building an automation from scratch. In the search bar that appears in the middle of this canvas, start typing Gmail. Make.com will show you a list of apps and services that match your search. When you see Gmail appear in the list of apps, click on it. This tells Make that you want to use Gmail as part of your scenario. Next, Make.com will show you a list of Gmail modules you can use, such as watch emails, send an email, reply to an email, or search emails. Choose the module that best fits what you want to do. For example, if you want Make.com to trigger every time a new email arrives, click on Watch Emails. You can change this later if needed, so don't worry too much about picking the perfect one right now. Once you've selected a module, Make will ask you to connect a Gmail account. Click on Create a Connection. A new window will open, and you'll see an option that says Sign in with Google. Click on that. You'll now be taken to a Google sign-in screen. Choose the Google account you want to connect to Make.com by clicking on that account in the list. After selecting it, click on Continue. Google will then show you the permissions that Make.com is requesting, such as reading and modifying your Gmail. To allow Make.com to work properly with your Gmail, click on Select All, so that all the required permissions are enabled. When you're ready, click on Continue. Your Gmail account is now connected to Make.com, and you can go back to your scenario and start configuring how you want Gmail to work within your automation.